Hi, I'm Carol Reve from carol.ws, and I'm going to talk to you today about Traffic Wave and autoresponders. Chances are you're looking for an autoresponder, and that's why you're on this page, or that's why you're watching this video, and you're wondering which autoresponder is the best to sign up with. I've tried a few of them, and I've always come back to Traffic Wave. I um I find that the leads are better. First of all, Traffic Wave is a double opt-in. What that means is that when a person enters their email, like for instance, right here, they enter their email right in here, and then they click that. Then they'll have a message pop up here that will say you need to verify or confirm your email. So this is a double opt-in. What that's doing is that's showing that that person is really asking and requesting for your information, that they're really interested in what you're offering. That is a top quality lead in my book. I've tried other autoresponders that don't have that, that they just, you enter your email, and so you can get Mickey Mouse at gmail.com. So obviously that's not going to be a good email, or you get people that do abcd at gmail, that they're just entering whatever because they want to see what comes up next for your marketing system. So that's a big reason. Now you'll hear people argue with that they don't like the double opt-in. From what I've seen, um, you don't want a bunch of leads on your list that don't ever open your email. Okay, you don't want to be paying for those. Okay, and the next reason, talk about paying for that, is with Traffic Wave, is that it's always only $17.95 per month for the autoresponder. And I've been in other others where I've paid over $50 a month for just a couple thousand people on the list, and because it was not the double opt-in, like only 30% of them were opening the email. So that's not good. So I'm paying for people that aren't even, real. So with Traffic Wave, you always only pay $17.95 no matter how big your list is. And believe me, I've heard from some other people in my upline that they've paid on upwards to like $800 a month for their autoresponder. Now that's just what I heard. Okay, so I have not seen that, but I have heard that the other autoresponders can be very expensive once your lists start to get big. And that's what you want. You want your list to get big. Traffic Wave has unlimited autoresponders, unlimited lists, unlimited list size. Okay, as I said before, they're $17.95 per month, and you can try them out for free for 30 days. Autoresponders are extremely important for any online business you're growing. If you're trying to grow, maybe you're trying to grow a roadside business, you're a roadside affiliate, or maybe you're with one of the travel agent affiliates. There's so many things out there. There's really good companies out there too. And you really need an autoresponder for that. And if the company has an autoresponder built in, check it to make sure you can withdraw your leads from it, because sometimes you can't. Okay, and sometimes they won't let you broadcast messages. Traffic Wave, you can broadcast messages to your list to keep in contact with them so that they build trust. You're building relationship with them so they recognize you. Traffic Wave is easy. You just sign up, create your campaign, and build your subscription list, your subscribers list. That sounds easy, doesn't it? Anyways, the flat rate with Traffic Wave is a huge saver. It really is. You can personalize your messages, create professional branding images, and let's see, contact management, convert your web convert your web traffic, like I said, because you're building relationships. So you're converting your visitors and your leads into customers, into paying customers, and they're going to come back. and you give them a good quality product to begin with, that they opt in and they're looking at your biz, and then they say, okay, I'm going to try this, and they're going to join Trafficwave with you too, because Trafficwave is also 30 days. You get to try that out for 30 days free and get everything set up. Okay. Now, after saying that everything's set up, I know it sounds like really easy. Set up, create your campaign, and they have awesome training in here for that. But I will say I'm not really thrilled with their capture pages. Okay. My team does capture pages that I like a lot better. I've always loved Trafficwave, but I could never quite get the capture page right. And the messages, I've done okay on messages, but through the years, not quite converting the way I wanted. Well, now I've got a team and I've got a system that has really great high converting capture pages, great high converting messages. Everything's pretty much all set up for you. All you need to do is once you sign up for free, and this you can do all of this for free for the 30 days, and then there are upgrades that you need to do. There's going to be 2 upgrades that you're going to need to do. One is a 7-day upgrade, and the other one is a Trafficwave 30-day upgrade. Okay, neither one is expensive. The other one is only $10, and you're getting a business, and then you're using the $10 business as a feeder to draw people in. Okay. Now, I'll show you how good this works. This is by email. You can see the Trafficwave enrollees that I've got in there. And this is January 2nd, 2020. Boy, it's going to take time to get used to seeing that. And here's my, this is of the other program that I'm using, like I said, as the feeder program. And both programs are very solid. The other program is Global Domains International. It's a domain. So you're going to need a domain name because the capture pages have very long links and it's a long URL, and you don't want to use that in advertising. All right, so you can see right here how well this is going. And it starts with your autoresponder. It starts with, if you're not using an autoresponder and you're not sending people to a capture page to put their email in there so you can send them messages, because most people will not sign up the first time they see your offer. It takes them a few times. So if they're not signing up the first time they see your offer, you're leaving money on the table, and they're going to sign up, but it's not going to be with you, because what they're going to do is they're going to go to Google or YouTube, and they're going to Google that business it is that you're promoting, and they're going to see people in there to see that it's legit, see how to grow it, and then they're going to see a sponsor in there that they decide to go with because they're, right in the search. That's why it's so important for you to enter your email in there. And then this redirects over to our team sales page, and you have messages that come to them. Okay, and that's all with the Trafficwave, the autoresponder. So you wouldn't have to set up anything. Once you sign up, I would send you the link for GDI so you can get the domain, so you can shorten it. I use, like I said, carol.ws. You can pick what you'd like and see what's available. And then I'd send you my resource page that gives you a video on how to go through and set it up and set your first campaign up, how to upload the messages. You don't even have to write the messages. You upload the messages. It shows you how to edit, because you want to make sure your link is in there. So it shows you how to edit the messages. And then literally all it is plugging in your Traffic Wave username and your GDI username into our team link, into a team link that we send you for the capture pages. And here's a couple capture pages are right here that you just saw. This is one of them. This is another one. And this is another one. There's 8 altogether. So there's 3 for you to take a look at. And you've already seen how this grows and does this. Now I've been in Traffic Wave for came back because my GDI sponsor switched to Traffic Wave and set up the capture pages. We were using Aweber before, and that's where I started with the list, but paying a lot more for the autoresponder and not really happy with the leads or the messages. The messages were not good. And so my upline in GDI did these capture pages. And so you don't have to pay a thing for these capture pages. All you need to do is pay for Traffic Wave, and that's a free 30 days, and then it's $17.95. And then you're also upgrading for your domain name, and that's $10 after the 7-day free trial. So you can get this all set up within minutes if you're experienced, and if you're not, it might take you a little bit longer. But you can get this set up that day and be advertising that day and have the whole system and have people be going into your list and building your list before you even spend a penny. And even at that, at the very most, it's $27.95 for a business. And then if you have another business you're promoting, like a travel business, the travel companies give you emails to send out. You would tweak the email and send it to this, to your list here in Traffic Wave. You can broadcast to them, once, twice a week, once a day, whatever you want. So this is a great way to get a system all set up for you. Very reasonable. You don't have to. These are great capture pages. Like I said, there's 5 more. And this is a great way. Everybody can afford a $10 home business. And that's a great way to draw people in. And then after you got your $10 business, you say, hey, I'm in, roadside service too. Or I'm in the travel business. Or I'm in Bitcoin. And this is my company. And all the businesses you're in have messages to send out to people. Okay? So just send out a message, but first you want to let some of these messages that are already set up from our team that are going out with your links in it work back and forth with the people so that they get to build trust with you, so they get relationships, so they know who you are, so they can trust you. Because GDI and Traffic Wave is a good, solid company. Both have been around 20 years. Okay, both have been paying for that long. Both are solid, incredibly good companies. Okay, so you're not giving them trash. You're not giving them something that's going to disappear tomorrow. And that's the most important. Even more important than your business is your credibility. Okay, so you got to be credible with what you're sending to people. Okay, so if your main business is kind of sketchy, don't send it to anybody. Just send this system. And then if they mention, are you in anything else? Well, you can send the other one out, but say, warn them. This is risk. This is a high risk program, so they know, and that you still have your credibility with you. Okay, because that's important, and that's what GDI and Traffic Wave give you, credibility, because they're as stable and solid and legit as you can get. Okay, so click the link below. It's carol.ws. You'll see one of the 4th of the capture pages down there below, and get your system set up as soon as I send you my resource page. Okay, and thanks for watching the video, and subscribe and click the like and the share button if this helped.